So we're going to see this problem. So read the question. Basically, like I always say in my classes also, when you read any physics question, you have to identify what is the underlying concept is testing. Okay. Now here you are multiplying two parameters. This is the first parameter and this is the second parameter, which is giving you NRT. And you're trying to find out the dimensional formula for A and B. So which concept we can apply here? See, if you are writing like this one parameter, our common sense says you can only add mass with mass or time with time or length with length. You can't add length with time, right? So this is principle of homogeneity. So here he is testing you principle of homogeneity. According to principle of homogeneity, all the terms under the bracket must be dimensionally same. So that implies A must be equal to P multiplied by V square. Now P is pressure, V is volume. So this is force by area into V square. So force is given by mLT power minus 2. Area is length into width, basically L square. And volume is L power 3 to the power 2. So we can cancel out 1 here. So mt power minus 2 and L power 1 is there. So this will become 5. So L power 5. This is the dimension formula for A. Going in the similar fashion, B minus B. Also both represent dimensionally the same thing. So V must be equal to B, or B is given by L power 3. Okay, thank you.